Hello everyone. Now let us start with a question. What is bystander effect and how to reduce? Imagine the situation when you are walking down the street, a busy street with a lot of people. Suddenly, someone collapse. People slow down. Someone put out their phone to record the scene. Someone stare, and no one tried to help the people, the person that are lying on the street. Why does this happen? Even when there are many good people around the sun. The phenomenon we are calling this the bystander effect. The bystander effect is a psychological phenomenon where individuals are less likely to help the victim when there are other people with them. Surprisingly, when the more witnesses there are, the less likely the people actually do anything to help the victim. There are three main reasons behind this phenomenon. First is diffusion of responsibilities. When there are many people around, each person will assume that someone else will take action. The responsibility is shared, and as a result, no one feels personally responsible. Second is social influence. In emergency, the situations are often unclear. People look to others to decide how to react. If no one else is helping, individuals may assume that help is not needed, or that kind of acting would be inappropriate. First is fear of embarrassment or making mistake. People worry about being overreacting, being judged by other people, or they fear that they are not doing the right things. This fear is powerful enough to top the action entirely. What makes the spectator event especially troubling is that it doesn't happen because the people were hustlers. In fact, many bystanders later report that they feel guilty or regretful. The problem is not about the lack of moralities, but it's about the failures to act under the social pressures. Second is about taking responsibility personally. Instead of thinking that someone will help that person, let us think that I will help that person. Even the smallest act of kindness, such as calling emergency service in that emergency, will help to save their precious lives. Second, is it about taking responsibility personally? Stop thinking that someone else will help that person. Think that I will help them personally. Because even the smallest act of kindness in the emergency will help to save others' precious lives. Finally, it is about education and training. Obtaining important survival skills such as first aid courses or emergency drill will help to increase our confidence and reduce the hesitation in the critical moments. In conclusion, the bystander effect reminds that good intentions are not enough. Kindness, awareness, and responsibilities are what can turn any ordinary person into a savior, a hero in emergencies. The most important question is not who will help, but why not me? Thank you for listening.